Hi everyone. My name is Avani.
My name is Preeti.
Hope you all are fine.
Yes.
I am fine. Are you fine?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know what's today's exciting moment? We bought our new house.
Yeah, it's so exciting.
Yes. So, do you guys want a home tour? I hope so, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, and it is very featured. Our house is amazing. You know the best thing in here?
Yeah.
What is it? You know, for me, what I like the most here is it's pink in color.
Yeah, I like to.
Okay, and at the front we have the barbecue. Look, it's the barbecue sitting area over there. It's also amazing, you know, when rain comes, we can do barbecue there, isn't it?
Yeah.
See over here, it's a picnic spot over here. See how nice it is? You can put all the fruits in here and have nice party.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is our outlook. Look
Yeah.
how beautiful it looks, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so come on, let's start now. So first, this is the picnic area. It's the picnic spot, guys.
Yeah.
It's so good, you know. You can enjoy it with your friends. You can keep all of the fruits, snacks, everything over here. And over here is
Yeah.
the barbecue.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it is so tasty when you fry it over here, you know, like you can fry all the non-veg items over here and it's so tasty. And you can have a nice party time with your friends and your birthday can be celebrated here. So yes, come on, let's see our home tour. Come on.
Okay.
Okay, so as Briti told, let's do our home tour. So over here we have all of the flowers and it looks amazing. So it's basically called as the garden, you know. It's so nice and beautiful. This was also one of the reason we bought it. And there are cute dolls over there standing. See that one and that one, and it looks so cute. And look at the door, it's so classic and that's so beautiful.
And there also is door.
And there is like such a vintage feeling over there, you know, like the entrance is so beautiful.
Yeah.
You can welcome anyone, so cute over here. And look at here. So this is the fence over here. This is the fence. This also gives the vintage look, you know. Look how nice it is. Our old house was not so featured, but then this is amazing, you know.
Yeah.
And these are the tiles welcoming us to our house. And this is the rooms. It's like more than 5 rooms. And it's amazing. So you might guys be thinking that what should we do with 5 rooms, right?
Or 10 rooms.
So look at the rooms over here. It's amazing. And it has flowers in front of it again. And yeah, these are the herbs over there.
Yeah.
And yes, guys, I'll be continuing this part. So this is the roof. The roof is covered with pink tiles, and it is fishy pattern.
Also. And that's also.
Yeah, right. And it's so greenery over here. Yeah, let's come back to the roof. So this is the chimney, and these are some little huts on top of the, you know, the roof rooms. Like these are the guest rooms. And yes, and this is a big tree over here, guys. Look how nice it is. It has all the big roots, big branches, and it is one of the highlights of our house. And look, this is one of our balcony. So this is mine, and that is Avni's, and mine is most top because she gets scared every time staying at the top. So I'm like, why not I? Yeah, it looks so amazing. And these are some of the decorations over here. Ow, I hit my head. Anyways, this looks so good, guys. So this is like one of the best house I've ever shifted to because it has so many features in. And come on, I'll show you the back side of the house. Put. Okay guys, so this is the back side of our house. This is also very big. As I told, we have more than 5 rooms. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there are some of them at the sides. And yeah, this is our back door over here. It's open. Sorry. It's open. Okay. So here we have all the guest rooms since it's a big house. And we don't use it a lot, these rooms. And at the side over here we have the rooms. So that side is me and my sister's room, and yeah, this is just kept like that so it would look good. Yeah, and there are some bushes over here down. See, it's, as I told, we bought this house because it's so greenery. I know, right? Oof. I got scared. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, this was an amazing thing, right? Hope you all like the house. You know, the best thing in this house is that it's so greenery. It has all the gardens over here. And yes, coming back to the front door, it's the best part. It has different kinds of flowers like rose, and other yellow color, red color flowers. So come on, let's go inside over here. Wow, it's so good. I will show you guys how does it feel when we go inside. Wow, it feels so good. And these are the tiny dolls, see? And of course, I think she has already, or I have already told you about this light. It's in vintage light and it looks so good on our house. And yeah, I found out another one. There's a white color flower, see? There, it's hidden over there. Yeah, it looks so good. Okay, so let me open the door. Soup. So yeah, I just opened one door, and guys, look. So look, guys. So this is the house, and yeah. So this is the best house. Yes, I know, right? I have loved this, bro. It's amazing. I know. Okay, so it was a very good. It was a very good house, and we're so lucky that we got this house. And yeah, hope you all like this house, isn't it? Did you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I know you guys liked it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Bye.
Bye. Bye.